Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change screen resolution on My Talking Tom 2. So in order to do that, first of all, open up My Talking Tom 2 application on your device and from the home screen, tap on the purple circle at the top left. Now, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, go to the bottom and look for the quality option. There are three different options available: low, medium, and high. If you select lower quality, this uses less battery and smoother gaming performance. Make your selection from the options and then you can go back by tapping on the cross icon at the top right and start interacting with Tom. So that is how you can easily change the screen resolution on My Talking Tom 2. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like and subscribe for more tutorials from us. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.